If you're searching for a gorgeous apartment for student living in Malden, Boston, look no further than June Homes 02148, a newly renovated 2-floor space with modern design and comfy living. Choose from lavish, non-ensuite rooms and unlock a fully furnished space with a built-in closet to fit all your stuff and more, stylish hardwood floors, and a kitchen with modern appliances. There's also speedy Wi-Fi for uninterrupted FaceTimes back home. Laundry just got effortless with paid in-unit facilities. Enjoy movie nights on the massive flat-screen TV. You can bring your vehicles along too. The street parking has you covered. Located at Malden, 02148, Tufts University and Cambridge College are just a short drive away. Catch a bus from Washington Street at Oak Grove Station or hop on the train from Malden Center, both just over a mile away, and have adventures around the city every day. So, don't wait any longer. Grab your spot at June Home 02148, Boston now with amberstudent.com.